Meet the 2025 Subaru BRZ, a lightweight, rear-wheel drive sports coupe that delivers a raw, engaging driving experience in an era of digital detachment. This is a driver's car, engineered for those who love the road. The Subaru BRZ features a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, aggressive front fascia, and signature C-shaped LED headlights. From its sculpted hood to the muscular fenders, every angle emphasizes purpose and performance. Under the hood, the Subaru BRZ is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter flat-four boxer engine. It produces 228 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque, paired to either a 6-speed manual or a quick-shifting automatic. The low center of gravity and near-perfect weight distribution deliver razor-sharp handling. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting the track, the Subaru BRZ responds like an extension of yourself. It's built for enthusiasts, precise steering, limited slip differential, and true rear-wheel drive fun. Inside, the BRZ balances function with finesse. Bucket seats hold you firm in the corners, while the digital driver's display and 8-inch infotainment screen keep you connected. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Subaru's EyeSight Safety Suite come standard. In a world dominated by crossovers and hybrids, the Subaru BRZ stays true to driving passion. Pure, precise, and built for thrills, the 2025 Subaru BRZ is everything a sports car should be. Are you ready to take the wheel?